Hey there, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads. Today, I have a card within a card fun fold using elements of the Autumn Abundance Paper Pumpkin Kit. Let's get started.
First thing I'm going to do is chop up this envelope. I'm going to remove the edges. And I want to get to a piece of this blue. I want this to be 2 inches wide by 5 1/4. And then I want a piece of this flap. I want to get a straight edge first. And get another straight edge. Actually, let me cut this flap off so I can conserve paper here, because this bit can be used for something else. So it's 1 7/8 by 2 3/4. Then I have a piece of Cajun craze, and this measures 5 1/2 by 6 1/2. I'm going to score it at 4 1/4. I'm going to use this bit over here. I want it to be 1 7/8 by 5 1/8. I have another piece of Cajun craze cardstock that I cut to 2 inches by 5 1/4 inches. And I did this rather than chop up another envelope. And I'm going to run this through the embossing folder. And then I have a piece of very vanilla cardstock. And this measures 5 1/4 by 8 inches, and it's scored at 4 inches. Put this in the embossing folder and just do the front half. I can actually move this over here. I'm going to run this through my embossing machine. And then I have a scrap of very vanilla cardstock. I have the add-on dies, the Every Celebration dies. And I want this leaf. I'm going to cut out 3 of these. If you don't have the die add-on, you could use one of these shapes here, or even one of these for what I'm about to do next. Then I have another piece of very vanilla cardstock. And this one measures 2 5/8 by 4 1/8 inches. And I'm going to use these leaves that I die cut as a stencil. And I'm using Night of Navy ink. I'm going to use just a tiny dab of seal to hold it in place temporarily. And so I put the ink on here so there's more ink on this side, and this side is just kind of open. And any adhesive that's left there, just use your finger to remove it. Or if you have one of these adhesive erasers, you can do that too. And these I'm going to save. So this piece of cardstock that was the 5 1/2 by 6 1/2 and scored at 4 1/4, fold and burnish the score line. And then this piece I'm going to fold and burnish. And this piece is going to be adhered right here. And then the piece that we stenciled is going to be matted onto this piece that's 2 3/4 by 4 1/4. Then these 2 pieces that we cut are going to go over here. And this piece is going here. And then I have another piece that measures the same as this one, which is 2 3/4 by 4 1/4. And I have another piece of vanilla, which matches this top piece here, which is 2 5/8 by 4 1/8, and this is being glued here. then this is being attached here. So I'm going to scooch it this way, because then I can see where I need to apply my glue. And then lining it up with the one that's already on the card. Put that into place and pressing it here. And then I'm just applying adhesive to the leaves that I used as the stencil, as well as one of the copper foiled ones from the kit. And then this one I'm going to place on the inside of the card.
And there you have it, a card within a card. Find written instructions over on my blog at... If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and thanks for watching. Bye!